Shiba Inus are in for a rough day today. A lot of people are freaking out since the coin's price is so low. When will this fall end? It seems like we may hear back from someone soon. A huge bombshell has just been dropped by the US government, which may stop the bleeding and even send Shiba Inu to a new record high. Just what is going on here? Come with me. The Shiba Inu has just done a full U-turn. It was skyrocketing only 2 days ago, maintaining an incentive for investors to rejoice. However, the price has experienced a significant downturn in the past day. This isn't a little decline either, it's quite a decline. Although Shiba Inu has experienced its share of setbacks, this particular one is particularly painful. After days of struggling prices, the thrill was real. It appeared like Shiba Inu was getting back on track, but as fast as it climbed, everything fell again. The optimism, the zeal, it vanished in the blink of an eye. It's terrible, and it will hit Shiba Inu fans particularly hard who believed the worst was over. Now tell me what transpired. The Shiba Inu may be in for some rough times, according to one expert. Where is the issue? It is having difficulty maintaining important support levels. Things might get unpleasant if it keeps sliding. Shiba Inu is currently selling at a discount compared to earlier, and after falling during the past day, there's a good probability it could fall by another 0 today. That's quite significant. Shiba Inu recently attempted to reverse its declining trend, but it was strongly rejected instead, then pushed higher. Investors are losing hope in a rapid rebound after that rejection sent it plummeting, and selling pressure is only going to increase. Shiba Inu risks plunging to an unsavory psychological low if it fails to maintain a level above its present support. The price could fall much more precipitously if that were to occur, since it would further erode investor trust. Still, one can hold out hope. If the Shiba Inu can establish a stable base and hold its position, it may be able to recover enough to try climbing again later. Optimal situation? Shiba Inu is once again heading in a bullish direction after a strong comeback that drives prices past recent highs. However, at this moment, things aren't looking well. There is increasing selling pressure on Shiba Inu, and the price could continue to fall unless buyers intervene to protect important levels. More bearish sentiment in the market can be set off if it drops by just one more digit. You may be asking what caused the Shiba Inu to abruptly dive. First, we need to take a step back and examine the broader view. As it happens, Bitcoin is also engaging in this activity. After failing to break through the $80,000 barrier earlier today, Bitcoin stunned the market, upsetting the entire cryptocurrency market. Just in the last day, liquidations have drained roughly $1 billion. Bitcoin broke down under the weight of all that selling pressure. We haven't seen these prices since late 2024, when it dropped below important support levels. There has been a significant setback. It could cause Bitcoin to fall even farther before it stabilizes again. It's part of a larger correction, compounding the mayhem. In recent days, crypto whales have been involved in large trades, moving vast quantities of Bitcoin. Over 40,000 Bitcoin changed hands in the span of 96 hours, according to one analyst. That's a huge sum, and when things like that happen, it usually means that something major is happening in the background. Bitcoin, according to another expert, may go through a protracted consolidation phase, like we witnessed earlier this year, perhaps falling much lower before settling into a new range of $75,000 to $100,000. The whole cryptocurrency market suffers the effects of Bitcoin's problems. Shiba Inu's declining value is part of a larger trend. This is a smaller scale disruption in the market. If Bitcoin's price continues to fall, it might bring down the entire market, at least for the time being. Why is this happening? Trump, Donald, the tariffs, that is, once more. The market is in a state of complete chaos as a result of Trump's firm stance on the huge tariffs that will soon be imposed on China, Mexico, and Canada. A devastating sell-off ensued as a result of this news's ripple effect on the market. The price of Bitcoin fell sharply, falling more than 8% and hitting its lowest level since November of last year. The entire cryptocurrency market, including Shiba Inu, takes a nosedive when Bitcoin crashes like that. The market is currently being driven by fear. There is a lot of unpredictability, therefore investors are quickly pulling back. Bitcoin's precipitous decline isn't a fluke. The rising anxiety over the potential effects of these levies on the economy prompted this immediate response. Additional volatility in the next days is possible if the current trend persists. However, there is some good news. Some positive news remains. Today, the SEC revealed the shocking information. Actually, Shiba Inus love it. Contrary to popular belief, Shiba Inu and other meme coins are not securities, according to the United States Securities and Exchange Commission's Division of Corporation Finance. Man, this is huge. Meme coins are exempt from federal securities rules, according to a statement issued yesterday by the SEC. Due to their speculative character, they are instead classified as collectibles. The CSE claims that these tokens are less about investing in a traditional sense and more about participating in cultural movements, online memes, and community engagement. People don't buy Shiba Inus with the expectation of a return on investment. Rather, they do it for enjoyment. U.S. securities regulations do not need its registration, which removes a significant regulatory barrier. But there's a little catch. That being said, the SEC did note that meme currencies are not without danger. This leaves the door open for additional authorities to step in if signs of fraud surface. In any case, Shiba Inu and the meme coin industry can consider this a huge victory. Despite appearances, this is monumental news for the future of Shiba Inus, which is to say, it signifies independence. To those in the crypto community, that is, as we have seen, rules have the potential to halt projects, deter investors, and even wipe out some cryptocurrencies. Now that Shiba Inu is no longer liable for it, the project can expand without being stymied by ongoing legal battles. This is very crucial for programmers. Lease upgrades and the expansion of the Shiba Inu ecosystem can go more quickly in the absence of overly stringent laws. Greater improvements, greater innovation, and a firmer base for Shiba Inu's future growth are all results of this. Shiba Inu could be on the verge of a breakout season if the team's strategy pans out. If we're talking about innovations, Shiba Inu is about to receive a huge boost from Ethereum. Ethereum is preparing to release Petra, a major update in the first quarter of 2025. Staking wallets and scalability will both see significant improvements with this release. But now things start to get interesting. Users may soon be able to pay for gas using tokens like Shiba Inu, according to this update. Stablecoins are the intended target of this feature, but there's mounting suspicion that Ethereum's developers may add support for other tokens as well. This would include tokens from the Shiba Inu ecosystem, such as Bone, Tarit, and Shiba Inu itself. This whole thing might change in an instant if that occurs. Envision a world where Shiba Inu, rather than Ethereum, could cover all gas fees, whether for trading NFTs, transferring tokens, or anything else. Shiba Inu would be much more convenient to use if this were to happen. Adoption increases demand, which in turn increases convenience. What a Shiba Inu could use at this second. This update has the potential to turn around Shiba Inu's decline and set it up for a big comeback because, to its practicality, increased demand and simplified transactions. Have you any thoughts on this matter? Feel free to share your opinions down below. Also, subscribe and enable notifications if you would like to receive updates about Shiba Inu. Important possibilities may pass you by if you don't receive an update.